Hi, welcome to Cerebration's YouTube channel. In this video, we will be exploring why psychological safety is important for innovating. Let's start by asking a question. Is your organization looking to innovate? The benefits of being an innovative company are well established, such as standing out from competitors, enabling organizational growth and ability to scale up, better able to meet your customer needs, and attracting the best talent. One of the major challenges that organizations face is encouraging individuals and teams to share new ways of thinking that are often novel or even unorthodox. Innovation depends on individuals trying new things and making mistakes along the way in order to subsequently be able to learn from them and improve. Innovation requires more than just organizational directives, direction, and stakeholder buy-in. It is a psychological process that has to be supported by leadership, values, behaviors, and organizational structure. Promoting a psychologically safe environment or failing to do so will ultimately encourage or stifle attempts to innovate. Some of the benefits of cultivating an environment that promotes psychological safety include higher performing staff, more collaborative teams, able to leverage discretionary effort, creating an atmosphere of learning, reducing conflict between employees, establishing happier workplaces, willingness to adopt new processes and technology quicker, ability to adapt to changing circumstances, and finally, driving innovation. So, what is psychological safety? Psychological safety is defined as an environment that encourages, recognizes, and rewards individuals for their contributions and ideas by making individuals feel safe when taking interpersonal risks. In psychologically safe environments, employees are encouraged and supported to be their authentic selves without concern for being blamed, reprimanded, or accused of being uninformed, incompetent, or disorderly. This is because there is an inherent sense of inclusion, acceptance, and respect. In our next video, find out how psychological safety impacts performance and what steps can be taken to promote psychological safety in your workplace. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for further content.